And here's another one of our Living the Dream series of people who are following their dream, whether it be an RV, relocating, or doing something they're very passionate about.
Hi.
This is Taryn, and John's outside, and they were nice enough to let us mooch talk with them.
This is Simba, my little boy.
Little boy.
It is now headed. So, John and Taryn Penta. We we're in Baja, California, sir, in a little town called Buena Vista. And we moved here a year ago, February. And we retired. We sold everything in the States, which was Arizona. And we sold everything and moved here full time. And it has been the best decision that we've ever made. It is so much more than what we ever thought it would be. We've made friends very quickly. It's a very good community, a lot of fun, and a lot of like-minded people, because everyone down here has done the same thing. They left their home and they came for a new home. And so it's really been fun. It's really been great.
Yeah, you guys look so much more relaxed.
It's wonderful, right?
It's like permagrin. Every time I look at you guys, you're always smiling.
And everybody says it about John.
Yeah.
I mean, everybody. I was like, so I've always been there, but everybody said, John looks so much more relaxed. That's awesome. I'm happy.
We could do a little mini tour if you like.
Sure. So we were very lucky. We looked from May 2016 until October 2017 to find a place. And we came down 3 or 4 times a year. We'd spend the weekend here, come down on a Thursday and Sunday, and just tell the realtor, let's look at places. And she was so good. She took us everywhere. And so we saw this and just loved the house.
And all the built-ins, it's really nice.
Oh, right, it's wonderful. We got a fireplace.
Oh, I didn't know that's nice.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Does it ever get that cold?
It does get cool. In February, the beginning of March, it gets very cool. You know, we don't have rugs down, so it gets very cool. We've got a little space heater that we use. We were very fortunate. All of the furniture came with the house. So
and it's really nice furniture. I mean,
isn't this? I love it.
Saves you so much time.
And we'll go out back and we can show people the grounds, which is really why we moved here.
Kitchen. Yeah, that's pretty much your outdoor while you're here for sure.
Yes, this is absolutely why we came here. We've always been water people.
View of the ocean.
Yeah, it's fabulous.
Very nice.
It'd be great if a whale would just jump right up there while you're filming. It would be perfect. But yes.
For dolphins flipping.
Yes, wouldn't it be great? Yes.
Yeah, and all the vegetation in here.
Yeah, it's really beautiful.
Yeah.
It's really beautiful. Yes, this will have nice red flowers when it comes in, but they're all gone now.
Hibiscus?
Yes, hibiscus.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, it's
and then what was this tree again?
That's a plumeria.
Okay.
Yes, which are the white Hawaii flowers.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
Yes, those kind of creamy white with a yellow,
it'll
like
start
white yellow. It probably, actually, come May.
Oh, okay.
It is chock full of flowers. Some are annual bloomers, ours are all year round bloomers, and these aren't, though, unfortunately. I don't think we have more on the side, but I think all of ours fall off. But it's a beautiful tree.
Our grill. Oh, their little grill in the corner.
Yes, which is fabulous.
If they do a pizza oven, I'll be back soon.
So if we don't get one put in, are you going to take offense that we don't want you back? Yeah.
I'll just buy it and bring it over.
Our garden.
Oh, yes, your garden.
Our neighbor. Yes, it's just amazing.
Those tomato plants are, oh my gosh.
Yeah. You can see all the dark purple.
Wow.
Those are all of those little cherry tomatoes that we have inside.
Let's see how There's the tomato plants. They're probably 7 feet tall. And then the lettuce and then the carrots.
Yep.
Oh my goodness. And then the green onions.
On the last one or the last couple of tomato things, we also have green beans.
Oh,
that have started to grow up. Yeah. So I'm pretty happy for at least our first year. Chuck's been doing it a long time.
Oh, it's really nice.
Yeah, we have a lot of Unfortunately, in the windy time, when the wind comes through here, it takes out a lot of these bushes, and a lot. You can see the edge of these.
Oh wow, this is kind of. Is that a cactus?
Yeah.
I've never seen one like that.
This tree used to be, I'll show you in the front, the ball grew so much that it broke the concrete. We just moved it a couple of weeks ago to here.
Oh, wow.
And so fortunately it's taking hold.
Then their outside shower when we went to the beach the other day, so we got to rinse off. It was very, very nice.
It's a great feature, isn't it? It really, really is.
In the sport yard. Vegetation all the way around it.
Yeah, we really were lucky.
And then I love the waterfall.
Isn't it great?
This is
Yes.
awesome.
Yes. Yeah, we
Do the birds come fix it?
we get birds and a lot of bees will come and and use the water. I know.
They gotta drink one.
Like, really?
They don't want the salty water.
Yes, and I don't want the bees, but they do have a place. Yes. So this is where that other big cactus was, and you can see. Right?
Oh.
It
so you
knocked
put
this out. Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy? So we transplanted this from a pot and moved that over there. Yes. And these, we just found these in Guerrero Negro. Oyster
Those are
shells.
those. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
they are huge.
Isn't that amazing? Yeah.
Those are huge.
I know, I've never seen them like in that decent a shape. I mean, this one's kind of...
Wow. Crap. We're gonna take this and go four-wheeling, and John here is getting us all ready.
Yay!
He's tearing up the other half. So he's gonna take us around. They've been really, really nice taking us, showing us everything here. And really good restaurants. It's all about the food, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
We went on one last ride in the side-by-side, and we had our last meal in Buena Vista, and then we were on our way to the next town.
If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And remember, we're on Instagram and Facebook. We're Blue Moon Explorers, living the dream.